Buenas noches. Voy a cantaros una canción de Deacon Blue, Dignity, una canción que está dedicada a un barco llamado Dignidad. Dignity. Espero que os guste. A ver cómo sale. Venga. There's a man I met, was up our street. He's a worker for the council, has been 20 years, and he takes no lip of nobody and litter of the gutter. But in the back, I never thinks to mother, and he packs his lunch in a sampler's bag. The children call him Buggy. He never lets on. I know cause they once told me. He let me know a secret about the money in this kitty. He's gonna buy a dinghy, gonna call him Dignity. And I'll sail here for the west coast to village and towns. I'll be on my holidays, they'll be going the round. They'll ask me how I got here. I save my money. They'll say this is pretty. The ship's called Dignity. And I'm telling this story in a far away scene, sipping down raki. I'm reading mannequins, and I'm thinking about home, and I thought that means, and a place in the winter for there. And I still here. It'll be best go to the village and towns. I'll be on my holidays, they be going around. They ask me how I got here. I save my money. They'll say this is ready. The ship's called Dignity. Set it up, yeah. Set it up again, set it up again, set it up again, set it up again. Set it up, 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 set it up. Set it up again, yeah. Set it up again, set it up again. And I'm thinking about her. And I'm thinking about fate. I'm thinking about work. And I'm thinking how good it would be to be here someday. A ship called Dignity. A ship called Dignity. That's it. Buenas noches, el Made in Valencia. Gracias.
Durante el minuto que dura este